So let's actually do some operations here. So let's do the adding first. So we've got f of x plus h of x. So we've got three functions to possibly use here. We've got f, g, and h. So a wants us to do f plus h. So the f function is 5x minus 2. Bring down the plus sign. And then the h function is 6 minus x. So see, you need to pay attention to which ones it's actually asking you to add together. But then just combine or add what you can. So 5x and negative 1x will be 4x. Negative 2 plus 6 will be 4. So that's it. Let's look at the other adding one. G plus h. So which one is the g function? Negative 2x plus 8. Plus the h function, 6 minus x. So what can you add together? Negative 2x, negative 1x becomes negative 3x. 8 plus 6 is 14. So the adding ones aren't too bad. Let's do the subtraction ones. So g minus f. So start with the g. So negative 2x plus 8 minus the f1, which is 5x minus 2. So remember that negative goes in there to both things. So negative 2x minus 5 becomes negative 7x. And 8 minus a negative 2 becomes plus. So 8 plus 2 will be 10. So negative 7x plus 10. Let's look at D. So h minus g. So h, we've got 6 minus x. Bring down the minus sign. Our g function is negative 2x plus 8. So remember that minus goes in there to both things, but combine your like terms. So 6 minus 8 becomes negative 2. And then negative 1 minus negative 2 becomes plus. So negative 1 plus 2 becomes 1x. All right, let's look at the multiplying. So if we go up and look at letter B, it says f times g. So f is 5x minus 2. And I'm just going to go right to the generic rectangle. And g is negative 2x plus 8. So we've got negative 10x squared, 40x, positive 4x, and negative 16 if we multiply those all together. So our end result here is going to be negative 10x squared. 4x plus 40x is 44x minus 16. And let's do letter F. H times G. So again, H is 6 minus x times G, which is negative 2x plus 8. So we get negative 12x. We get 48 positive 2x squared and negative x and negative 8x. So our end result here will be 2x squared, negative 12 plus negative 8, negative 20x. plus 48. So really, you have really done this in the past. It's just that these are functions and they're equations rather than just polynomial expressions. But the idea is still the same. When you're adding and subtracting, combine those like terms. And when you're multiplying, just multiply together and then get that final answer. You just want to pay attention that you're multiplying the correct functions, because if we're given multiple functions, make sure you're using the right ones that it's asking for.